In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new sequence in Monday.com. This guide is designed to be clear and straightforward, ensuring that whether you're a Monday.com veteran or a newcomer just getting started, you'll be able to easily follow each step to complete your task in just a few minutes. First, we need to head over to Monday.com. To do that, open your preferred web browser, type in Monday.com, and hit Enter. You'll be directed to the platform's homepage where in the top right corner, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the login page, you have several options to log in. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google login option. Click on the Google button, which will prompt you to select your Google account if you're not already signed in. Choose the appropriate account linked to your Monday.com workspace, and you'll be seamlessly directed into your Monday.com environment. Upon entering the platform, your next move is to locate the Sequence section, usually situated at the top left of your screen. Clicking on Sequence will direct you to the sequence management area where you can organize and oversee your tasks. It's here where you'll begin the creation of your new sequence. Now, to get started with creating a fresh sequence, simply find and click on the New Sequence button. This action will open up a new window where you can input details for your sequence. Start by entering a descriptive name for your sequence. This name should reflect the purpose or title of the series of tasks you plan to manage, which will help you and your team identify it quickly in the future. After naming your sequence, click on the Next button. This will prompt the next action, which is to choose a board that will be associated with this sequence. Boards are a central feature in Monday.com, acting as dedicated spaces for organizing your sequences and tasks. So pick the one that aligns with your sequence's objective. Once you've selected the appropriate board, all that's left is to click on Create. Doing so will officially establish your sequence, offering a blank canvas to develop and articulate the steps involved. Now you're at the stage where you can add the first step of the sequence. Consider this an opportunity to start defining the workflow of this sequence. Try to be descriptive yet concise about what this step entails to ensure clarity for team members involved. Finally, after adding your first step, double-check everything for accuracy and then proceed by clicking on Save Sequence. This saves your newly configured sequence, making it officially ready to be used and expanded upon as your projects progress. And just like that, you have successfully set up a new sequence in Monday.com. Taking these steps ensures a well-organized and efficient workspace for you and your team, enabling you to track progress with ease. Thank you for following along, and I wish you the best in navigating your productivity journey on Monday.com.